Oh my god, Anna? Oh my god.
Kicked off my shoes, dashed it in the rain.
Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Natalie and today we're gonna be altering a bunch of things. Also, before I start, just please ignore the way I look. I didn't put any makeup on because usually when I sew, I don't put any makeup on. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna be my authentic sewing self. Also, I just washed my hair, so it's totally wet and I had to put it in a braid, so just ignore my appearance, but whatever. As I said, I'm gonna be altering a bunch of things. There's all of this, plus there's also some stuff there that I really want to alter because actually last week I did a huge closet clean out and I got rid of like 75% of my clothes. It's massive, so if you want to go watch it, this is the link for it, or here, I'm not sure. And yeah, basically these are some of the things that I took out because they don't fit me well, but I still really like how they look, so I'm just gonna make them fit me well. I think I'm gonna start with this top just because I already have some white thread there, and it's basically just a normal top. Wait, I'm gonna show you what's wrong with it. It is basically way too loose, and I really like wearing these tops without a bra, and when they're loose like this, I kind of feel like not secure basically, so I just want to take in some fabric from the sides and make it very tight so I don't have to worry about anything, you know, popping out. So that's what we're gonna do. I also have this top, which is the same problem. Wait, I'm gonna show you that as well. This one is not so bad, but I would still like it to be a bit, you know, tighter. So that's gonna be the first two items that we're gonna alter. So let's do this. Alrighty, so here's the top, and I don't think I'm gonna like measure anything just because it's just a top that I'm gonna be wearing around my home. So I think I'm just gonna take about 1.5 inches from each side and just sew right here. Oh my god, this looks actually so good. The seams are also super clean, which I'm very happy about. I will probably cut off the excess just so you don't see this weird triangle here, but I'm really pleased with this, so nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the same thing with this. So instead of like telling you the instructions, we're gonna chat. As you probably already know, the summer is here, which means my first year of college is over, and I have to say I'm pretty happy with that. Like, I love my college, but I think I can't really say that I really found my passion in it. I study film and I definitely do love everything about it, but I just don't know if like that's what I 100% want to do with my life. I don't know if I want to be like, you know, shooting all my life all over the world. Like, I just don't know if that's like how I want to do things. And I feel like everybody puts this pressure on their studying, like, you know, when you study something, it has to be the thing that you're gonna, you know, focus on for the rest of your life. And I just get really nervous because I'm like, wait, I really like this, but I don't know if I want to do this like 100%. That's kind of also my problem. Like, I just want to do too many things at once, I think. That's also kind of what I'm doing right now. Like, I'm doing YouTube, I'm working, and I'm also studying because I just can't choose one thing. And I've always been like that. I always had so many hobbies and I never really knew like what my one true passion is. And I feel like that's okay. I feel like there's this like unset pressure, and I need to just like, you know, remind myself that it's completely normal to like not know what to do, even if you're still in college, even if you're after college. Like, it just doesn't, it's okay. There's still some looseness, but it's not, honestly, there's like none. I'm just, yeah, whatever. But yeah, this is the next top. Now we gotta figure out what to do with this top. But my problem is, again, it's like super loose. Like, I feel like if I would jump, they would just jump out with me. So I think I'm gonna try to solve this by taking in the fabric from the back. Also, as the summer is starting, I started to read again, which I love reading so much. It's so different after I got out of high school to like read the stuff you really want and not like the reading assignments that you know, you have in high school. Even though I know they give you like really good books to read, but it's just not it, you know? Sometimes you just want to read what you want to read, and whatever, I'm getting lost. What I wanted to say, I got kind of obsessed with BookDog. There's like 80 books that I screenshotted in my phone. Yesterday I started reading They Both Died at the End. This is how it looks, and it's really good. I think I like this one and this one more, which are also very popular on TikTok. And I think I want to read next Ugly Love by Colleen Hoover, because I absolutely loved her It Ends With Us book. So I don't know if anybody read it, let me know how it is. What happened? It got stuck. Okay, let's try this again. Fuck. Why is it not working? I forgot to, oh my god, I literally forgot to thread the thread into the machine the correct way. How? Okay, I just had a tiny little breakdown, but we're back. So it's very booby, that's for sure. But I'm probably gonna wear this to the beach, or you know. And now we're going to alter this, which is a corset top that I ordered from Zaful, and I showed this again in my Zaful haul. If you haven't seen it, this is it. This is the corset top, and as you can see, it's just too big on me. We're gonna try to make it smaller, and I think I'm gonna try to take in the fabric from here, like from the side. Oh wait, I just realized I already have a green thread on my sewing machine, and I really don't want to take it off because it's so annoying to like thread the whole thing. So we're gonna skip to this dress. This is the dress that we're gonna be taking care of. It's very short, but it just doesn't fit me right. Like, as you can see, it's just so loose around here, and when I walk, I feel like it's gonna slip off of me. So yeah, as I was putting this dress off, I realized like the top is uneven. Like the front side is higher than the back side. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take in the fabric from the back. So basically, here I have the dress. I kind of folded it like sideways, like here's the side seam, and I'm just gonna take in the fabric, like I'm gonna create this weird triangle right here. I'm almost 100% sure this is not gonna work. Yeah, we're gonna take it as an experiment. Are you joking me? It actually worked. How is my only question, but like, wow. Oh my god, I know. My sister just walked in and I almost got a heart attack, but it's okay. Anyways, moving on. I love this. As I said, we're gonna continue with this top from Zaful. Okay, well, I'm kind of just like folding in. I'm probably not doing this right again, but you know what? It worked the last time, so we're gonna hope for the best. Okay, my expectations are not high, so should be okay. Guys, do you see what I see? Why did this work? Like, what the hell? It honestly feels like the less I'm trying at sewing, the better it gets. I don't understand. Like, I love this. This is gonna be my new favorite top. Alright, this is the last thing that we're gonna alter. It's this long bodycon dress, and it's basically the same problem as the flower mini dress. It just doesn't fit. Like, it should fit like this, but it doesn't. So I think I'm just gonna take in the fabric from the back and just make it very tight. I mean, look at this beauty. Look at my body shape in this. I don't even like have this body shape, I think. But I'm so impressed with how this looks. Like, who knew? Anyways, the last thing that we're gonna alter is actually a tube top, because tube tops have been everywhere on Pinterest and I absolutely love them, and I wanted to buy them for myself, but then I was like, hold up, you have so many like leftover bottoms of shirts. Wait, I really need to pee. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I'm back. But basically what I was trying to say, because I love crop tops and I literally cut every single t-shirt that I have into a crop top, I have so many of these, like, I don't know, like bottoms of shirts left. There's just so many of them. And I thought that that could be like a fun way to reuse this, because I never throw anything away, so I have so many of them. But I think I'm just gonna show it on one top because I don't want to bore you, but I think I will do it with all of the bottoms that I have. Let's try it with this one first. I think I'm just gonna take it from one side just because it's pretty, you know, symmetrical. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take like 2 inches. Yeah. Okay, see, like this, there's like a slight curve. Yeah, this is the bandeau top. That was literally so easy to make. I think I spent like 5 minutes on this, not even that. But yeah guys, this was the last piece that I'm gonna be altering today. I really hope you liked the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and also comment white heart emoji if you watched till this part of the video. I also wanted to say that I'm so grateful to everybody who's already subscribed, because actually last week I reached 5,000 subscribers and I am so happy. I literally have no words, so thank you for all the support you've shown to this channel. It truly means the world to me. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of your day or whatever you're doing, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye!